'Cause it's all in my head. Hermetic's first law of the 7 laws or principles. All is mind. It's all mental. Once you know that, you're free. 'Cause it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again. Over and over again. I can take it, I can shake it, but I think about it over and over again. I can keep picturing you again. I can take it, no, I can shake it, but you can. That's why I probably became greater after that dip in consciousness. Descent to ascended more. Heavenly Father is amazing.